Welcome back to our channel. In today's tutorial, we will guide you on how to enable saving addresses in Chrome on your PC. Saving addresses can be convenient for filling out forms and making online purchases. Let's get started. Step 1. Open Chrome. Launch the Chrome browser on your PC. Step 2. At the top right corner, click on the More button. It is represented by 3 vertical dots. Step 3. Select Settings from the drop-down menu. Step 4. Open Autofill and Passwords in the Settings menu. Step 5. Click on Addresses and More. Step 6. Here, you will find the option to save and fill addresses. Turn it on to enable the saving of addresses in Chrome. By following these simple steps, you can conveniently save addresses in Chrome on your PC. This feature will save you time and effort when filling out forms or making online purchases. We hope you found this tutorial helpful. If you did, please give this video a thumbs up and share it with others who might find it useful. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more helpful tips and tutorials. Thanks for watching.